and okay, let's start. Last week I could not upload a video because my TikTok account got banned. I was a little shocked and depressed. Okay, anyway, forget about that. What a wonderful week. We finish our profitable week this week, last week, last week, mostly every week, and we did not had our stop loss. Yesterday we could have on a VIP one stop loss, but we could also recover because all-time high and the prices keep rising up. So what we're gonna do is today we're gonna figure out next week, is it a buy or a sell? I'm sorry for the noise. So this is what is about this video, and this video is about will be 15 minutes. Before I gonna start a video, I would like to request that if you haven't followed my Instagram, please follow. For more detail you can find there things. You can DM me if you're really serious, wanted to learn. Also this YouTube, if you're watching it, this is because of my community on TikTok. They asked me to make one YouTube channel so I can start here webinar online. So I'll be doing a live trading and teaching some tips, not really exactly the education you can get, because those mentorship you only can have with me one-on-one, something like this or this or something like this or this, or there's many bunch of it. So please follow YouTube and Instagram. And if you haven't followed my Telegram channel, so here is my Telegram channel. This is the free one, whereas now people are leaving and keep coming back, 564. So this channel is only for community, but yesterday also I gave 2 signal because people are crying. It's okay, but I also have a VIP here. VIP is mean like personal. Whenever I trade my trade, I'm gonna post here to let's buy or sell. So far is 29 people are right here. So whoever create oh, I'm so sorry, whoever create under my IB means introducing broker. The broker I use is a VtMarket. The VtMarket, I'm using it. If you create account under my IB, clicking this link right here, you can check on this the community Telegram channel. This is simple as that. Once you click, all you gotta do, you have to be on the web, not to install VtMarket app right here. You know what I mean? The VtMarket app right here, you don't need to install. All you need to do to create here, put your country, choose your country here, and simple as that, and put your email and my referral number. It's gonna be 86 80 and 70. This is my referral number. Anyway, if you do not understand anything like that, all you gotta do, you can DM me. Okay, so let's start as we usually do. So we're gonna do it usually for, this is for the last week full trade, and we have almost over 800 pips. Anyway, forget about what happened last week. We're gonna face to the next week. So we're gonna start from the weekly, because one week has just been finished and crazy gold is keep rising, continue, even we don't see the bottom actually, you know this. Anyway, so this is really difficult. All we're gonna do, this is the higher time frame. We can put our resistance has been made. The previous support was resistant, all-time high. The previous, this is gonna be support for a weekly, and we're gonna jump back to simple daily time frame from here. So we got 3. We don't know the new resistance gonna be where. It's gonna be 200 pip, 300 pip, or 150 pip, 50 pip. We never know that. Okay, so we're gonna calculate here the smaller zone. For example, this one and this one. Let's take some more few, maybe this one. So this is all. So this is for one day. Mostly we have supports and only one. Okay, for example, we have mostly the support levels and only new resistance. So we're gonna go back to a smaller time frame. For example, 4-hour time frame. I don't know. Okay, I only do the technical because nobody can predict 100% exactly what's going on. So this is my way which I have built for last 7.5 and 8 years. So simple as that. This is my like a trading discipline I can do, and I will looking for with the discipline and the rules of the trading. This is the major what I do the trading. So we have this, you know, when we have this okay, last week we have this higher, the all-time high frame here, and then we see the drop down trend going down to retest the breaking zone. Okay, so high breaking down, retesting and not breaking the high, this all-time high. So trend is gonna stay below. So if this lower has been created, so this lower has to be taken once if price wanted to go down. So that's exactly what price doing. It's doing in a range. It's, you can say maybe the price is you know, what do you call this, consolidating price here, but it's not breaking the trend line right there. This one is the fake trend, fake breakout, this one, and this lower when it's really taken here, this one is taken lower, the price retest. This was the CPI, everybody know, because this the previous high here, P and H previous higher. So this zone, when it's been taken above, this zone has been not retested. So that was a particular reason when the price go make a new high, price has to retest this zone. So this zone has been retested nearby and price break the trend line here. Okay, so once I'm gonna clean up here, okay, you understand what happened the previous last week. Okay, this is what happened. So on the CPI from Thursday, the price, so this is the CPI, boom, breaking the trend line, then breaking the structure and create a new high. So when the structure break, price need to wait to retest the structure here, price came down, we buy, breaking this previous high, creating a new high, breaking this zone, resistance becomes support, price come back, retest it and continuation high, then become higher high, double edge. Okay, this is how it is. So this become higher high. This is the 4-hour time frame. The more effectively if you want to trade it, I recommend you trade on a higher time frame. Okay, so this much you understand, right? So what we are looking for yesterday, when this all-time high, this 85, right, it's 85 been breaking, I think on Thursday, creating this new high here. It was really simple, because when you look at the smaller time frame, okay, for example, let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let me clear up. So we go to 1 hour time frame. Okay, so here it is, 1 hour time frame. Pay attention, because you're gonna see something really important things here. So here is the all-time high before, right? Before the price break on a Thursday, I guess, I don't know. Yeah, Thursday. So when the price break all-time high, pull back here, that what we are taking entries here, and I was pretty sure that's what I was taking a 5 to 6 entry for buy only, and I was keep sending to my VIP that today whatever happened, we only focus on a buy. Even the price come down, keep buy, but all you need to do, manage your risk. If you have only 10 or 20 or $15, you cannot trade. Then you have to be waiting for exact movement. But you understand, one trade if going up higher like that, it doesn't continue all up. If the price go up once, it has to come back again. Something somewhere is gonna create a support level, and then if you're buying from here and if the profit comes like this, you maybe put your stop loss like that above break even, but price wanted to come down and take this lower again, also possible, and more momentum comes down to take people's below the account and then keep rising up ahead. You understand? So nobody know 100% exactly well, but me, what I do trading, because spending lots of year, this is what I keep updating on my VIP. Once you're gonna join, if you want to create an account under my IB, you will see every detail I give with analysis Also, okay, what is the reason we are buying and selling it? Okay, let's continue. So this is 1 hour time frame. We look at this area when this all-time high is being taken. Once it's been taken, I was buying on a Friday, we buy here, out. So this zone is when it's breaking. Let me just stretch. When we see this zone is high being taken here, price comes down very quickly, because simple strategy, go high. If there is this is a new high, it's resistance created, price come back, breaking previous resistance becomes support to retest and go higher. So this is exactly what is going on. Okay, so boom, back, going up, and continuation all the way up. Okay, this is now we all understand what happened, right? Now we are coming back to the main question, what we're looking at next week from Monday. So simple is that what I'm looking at, I am gonna talk about it and stick to my plan. But also, as I tell you, because we don't know, I don't know, nobody know what the market gonna do exactly. Okay, so that's you need to be trusted. We have resistance daily 4 hour. Let's see, very strange. We only, what I'm looking at here, I'm looking at this place, 2697 to 2700. If price can come, price is already retested this order block area. I'm not sure if price can come back. Let's check out on a 1 hour time frame. If we're looking at this time frame, I don't see it. If price wanted to come down, if we're looking at the price, if in 1 hour, if price wanted to go down, it has to break this area for 2697. Price come back, price, if price go down, need to break this zone. If breaking this zone, price can continue to 2657. Possibly happen, possibly, very possibly. Because why? The reason is price is going, keep going higher and higher and high, and price is getting smaller, the candles. There will be a high momentum, go higher, and maybe it's gonna keep falling, because we still have more than 10 days to close this month, and the monthly candle, what is gonna show us, we never know that. So, but as according to the news or fundamental, that the gold can rise till next year or January or February about 3,000. So it could be fraud, it could be a trap, it could be just fundamental to trap every buyer. When the buyer will come in the market will drop maybe 1,000 or 800 pips straight away, big candle. So you gotta be careful. So what I think is, if we look at the weekly chart, that when the weekly, it's the same method when you do in a small time frame, and the same method what I do in higher time frame. So what we're looking in a weekly, we have this because is counted down 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles. So 6 candles, 7 candle could you go up, a price can retest it. So price can be retested. For example, if I clean up, so in a weekly time frame, if I look for a zone, so my zone will be here, middle of this. So I gonna use maybe the Fibonacci from the bottom till up, and maybe go back to daily time frame here. But the daily time frame, you see that's the 50%, 0.5 exactly my location was catch. If the price can come back here, I will be looking for absolutely long only. But lower time frame, 4 hour time frame, you see we have this clear, very beautiful. Okay, the Fibonacci, let me just clean up. So I have this zone exactly the same way I said, 2697 around, and 27. The price can be retested once again to go there. Why? Because the reason is all-time high. So we have this previous all-time high here. You can just give me a name like previous ATH. Previous all-time high right here is about 2685, and new is being generated like this. Okay, which is gonna be, for example, let's have a price label right like this, 2724. So how much is the range? What is the range from here to here? Is 300, maybe about, yeah, 300 310 or 15 pips range. Okay, no problem. So what I'm looking for with the discipline of the trading rules, we're looking for if the price 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 candle, even 4-hour chart. So I'm looking for a drop down. If price going from high from here down, pull back strongly, and then higher, then take the liquidation moment with the momentum, and then price can continuation to his high. Understand? So price cannot, this chart pattern could be something, for example, give me a second please. For example, okay, so when the price comes from the bottom, somewhere here, okay, from bottom, price is coming and going up, so it's the same thing, go on liquidation, go up and down, and the previous, this breaking zone, all time previous to previous high, this previous high, this one, when breaking up above, price come, retested the area and continuation. So price is now above this area, so it's already above, maybe go continuation, and then the new higher, price will come, retest and come down, exactly something like that. So price is always in a wave, something like that, or coming down also like that. The price doesn't go just straight one line to be up. Okay, so this is all simple. So this is what we're looking at. So this is my zone. If price is keep rising up, so what I'm looking for to sell, because price is so much high. So what if price is pulled back to my zone, I'm looking for a buy. So zone is exactly over there. And if you really want to join my VIP, it doesn't mean VIP, it is just a personal trading group. For example, that the trade what I do, the trade what I trade, you can just trade with me whatever I trade, you know, simple as that. There will be a TP and stop loss, and I will be updating you guys like close now 20 pip or 30 pip running, break even, everything is there. For example, I can show you once again. For example, if this is by VIP, okay, let's buy gold for now, slowly later, blah blah blah, TP later, TP, but suddenly profit just keep running, and gold buy now, buy, something like this, and stop loss something, TP open, and you see, boom, suddenly in less than, you see the time, 15:07, 15:08, in 1 minute, 15:09, 1 minute, you have this profit coming, something like that, you understand? So this how I do. I look at the chart, you see a strong pullback on 1 hour chart, buy now, keep buying, you see something like that. So keep, again, if you want to hold, close half and hold with the break even, everything is being updated here. Time to fly, there you go, hold it, don't close it, gonna fly, blah blah blah, you see it fly again, gold buy now, enter buy, blah blah blah, something is like that. Only we buy yesterday, buy. This is the morning trade. Also patience show good pay, nice closing weekend, everyone is good, blah blah. So this is how it is on my personal group. So but you must need a little bit education for that to understand, because I don't teach on a VIP. That's not teaching, it's only you can trade what I trade. Okay, you must have little knowledge about that. Yeah, so I hope you understand this a small analyze about a gold market, what's gonna happen next week. Okay, the gold is all-time higher and creating a higher high, so we have to be patient and wait for the pullback, and we take the entries. Okay, thank you very much.